this is Rave, and here we go. So click create, and then you can either mash 2 songs together or a whole entire playlist. So I'm just going to mash 2 songs. So what I'm going to do is it searches YouTube, by the way, just so you can know. So I'm going to search Hamilton, just the first song. So you'll get a list. It'll tell you if it's too long. I think it has to be under 6 minutes or something. So I'm just going to do Alexander Hamilton, and I'm going to do Muppet Alexander Hamilton too. Okay, so it found it. There we go. And then we click Create Mashup. And there we go. It did it automatically. It's only going to do it really quickly for you if you already rendered this, and I've done it before. So let's hear how it goes.
How does a bastard, orphan, son of a whore, and a Scotsman trapped in the middle of a forgotten spot in the Caribbean by providence, impoverished and squalor, grow up to be a hero and a scholar? It's in the harbor now, see if you can spot him. It's in the harbor now, see if you can spot him. It's in the harbor now, see if you can spot him. It's in the harbor now, see if you can spot him. It's in the harbor now, see if you can spot him. It's in the harbor now, see if you can spot him. It's in the harbor now, see if you can spot him. What's your name, man?
Alexander Hamilton. My name is Alexander Hamilton. And there's a million things I haven't done.
That is Rave AI Mashup Maker.